Hortafarmer on his tour through Europe has come to see Jana, who is a sheep farmer on the coast of Latvia. And this house has many wooden structures like my horta farm and very nice interior design, and among others they grow pumpkins and use it in pies. But the main livelihood is sheep, a very special sort of sheep, and they developed the breed. And here are the lady sheep, and it's constant work to have these sheep and taking care of them, and also guarding from the wolves. And the whole family is taking part. And here are the male sheep kept separate from the ladies. I have been playing with the children, and this is always the fun part in these family visits. And they gave me permission to use this material in my reports of the trip. We were playing board games, and also I showed them touch cards from Finland, and they were amazed of them. And I've been traveling now in the autumn time. At the end of October, the colors of the leaves have been so nice. And this is an organic farm, and we were picking a lot of horta there, and Jana knows many plants already, but I could give her some new hints. And Rebecca is very interested in the plants too, and also the colorful leaves. She loves the beauty of them. And we collected horta, and we made hakkelus of it to have different plants put together, chop oil and vinegar. And this horta hakkelus you can use with anything. For instance, with these potato steaks, it was excellent combo with rest of the meal with meat and veggies. Or just put it on the sandwich. But then we wanted to make a horta mushroom omelette. Jana has a freezer dryer to work with the mushrooms. First we simmer some onion, and here is Jana putting some vodka to the liquid of the eggs. It makes it more fluffy. And we add to the mushrooms and onions the horta, and then we add the egg liquid on the side, and then push this material on the egg liquid so that it doesn't burn to the pan. And it came out very nice, and all the family liked it very much. But there's a problem on this farm for the economies and travels, because the neighbors from the Soviet kolkhoz side, they wanted to have windmills there right next to Jana's farm. And hopefully mushrooms and horta will make her farm special and save her economies, even with this threat of windmills.